coffee break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? So, before we get started, I'd like to engage the safe zone, judgment-free zone, we're all friends here filter, so that things don't get unjustifiably weird. Today we're here with a haul. I'll probably have lipstick on my teeth the entirety of this video. My dress is supposed to look this way, and this is my light makeup look. I think that answers all your questions. The last confession that I need to make before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video is I placed an online order at Ulta, on the Ulta website, and when I do these haul videos, I don't like to show stuff in an ugly brown box, and I'm the person that keeps old shopping bags. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. So I was like, well, instead of showing you guys an ugly brown box, why don't I put it in a bag? I mean, it's coordinated. I love you guys so much that I need to confess my crimes to you. So that's the crime of this video, is it was an online order, but I wanted to put it in a pretty bag for sake of the thumbnail of this video. Okay, you guys? So it's out there. This video is in partnership with Ebates, and you guys hear me talk about Ebates all the time, even when they're not sponsoring this post. I'm just, you know, one of the best things that I discovered after I found out about YouTube, besides creating my own channel, was learning about Ebates. And I still remember I used Holly-Anna Ray's referral link. That was my sign up, was her referral, and it changed my life forever. So if you guys are unfamiliar, Ebates is an online rebate program. It's absolutely free. There's no catch. I know it sounds weird. Just hold on. Just hold on to your panties for a second. It gets better. Basically, there's over 2,000 brands that are partnered with Ebates, and anytime you shop online, you want to make sure you go through Ebates first, whether it's through the browser button or through the website, and then click over. So basically the way it works is you have two ways of doing it. You could go to ebates.com and you could type in Macy's or Sephora, and then it comes up and then it redirects you over to the website. Or you install a little browser button, and then anytime you're on a website that offers cash back, it does a little pop-up that's like, yo, do you want to activate your cash back? I know you do. So basically what it is you get cash back on all your purchases. So it's like saving money while spending money. Do you see how I'm justifying you making a lot of online purchases? This is how I convince myself that it's totally a good idea. So I got 3% on this purchase, 3% cash back on this purchase. I'm a little proud, I'm a little disappointed, because I was basically browsing for one thing, and I ended up spending more than $200. We don't need to talk about it, you guys. I told you we were gonna engage the judgment-free zone filter. Do you remember? So Ebates is kind of awesome. Like I told you guys before, if you guys are online shoppers like me, it's really hard for me to haul me and my two little nuggets to the store or to the mall and make purchases that I already know I'm gonna like, or I need to repurchase. So I can order it from the comfort of my own home and get some cash back. And you do get a bonus if you sign up. So I will have a referral link in the description box below. Now that is an affiliate link, which means if you sign up using my link, I get credit for your sign up, but you also get a $10 bonus credit after you make your first purchase if it's over $25. So you're welcome. I think you have to basically order more than $25 anytime that you're ordering online to get free shipping, right? I mean, is that just me? I'm like, okay, I don't want to spend $7 on shipping, so I'll spend $30 more so that I don't have to pay for shipping. Do you guys do that? I do it all the time. Anyway, I think we should get into this haul, but if you're wondering how you get paid, there are some options. You get paid quarterly. You get a big fat check. That's actually what it's called, and you can have it sent to your PayPal. You can have a check mailed to your home or wherever you're living, or you could even get a gift card. So it's kind of awesome. If you guys sign up, thank you in advance. Let's get into the important part of this video. It's not the haul, it's actually a surprise. So there's going to be two really important links in the description box of this video. There's going to be my Ebates referral link. If you guys are not Ebates users, you want to make sure you are in order to partake in the festivities of the next thing I'm about to tell you. Ebates was also kind enough to award one of you guys a $100 Visa gift card for being an awesome Ebates user. So make sure that you guys are already registered as an Ebates user. If you haven't already, I recommend using my convenient sign-up link in the description box below. Otherwise, go directly to the website. Make sure you remember what email you used to sign up, and you guys are going to be eligible by following that link down there to win a $100 Visa gift card. So, all right, let's get into this haul. That is a bunch of pointless, useless stuff that I didn't really need to buy, but I kind of did, and I'm just excited about it, and I want to share it with you guys because we're all friends here, and we're just chatting. So the first thing is what I've been playing with. It's in my hands, and did you guys know there's like a whole hair care or beard care world out there? So if you guys don't know, I have a boyfriend. I'm just kidding. That's my new tan joke, okay, you guys? And he looks very handsome in his beard. And I always wondered why it was so perfectly coiffed and perfect and delicious and just so... Did I say perfect already? And he gave me this entire pontification on the world of beards. Apparently there's beard dandruff and you have to trim your beard. And there's special tools for your beard, and apparently there's beard balm. When I was browsing around on random things to add to my cart, I landed upon this brand called Billy Jealousy, which specializes in beard care. It had really great reviews, and the minute I got it, I showed it to the boyfriend, and he was actually very excited. Apparently, it's a very good texture. He has a lot of different beard balms, and he really liked this one. So if y'all know someone with a beard, you might want to try the Billy Jealousy products. I'm kind of tempted to go back and do like the beard conditioner and the beard leave-in treatment and the beard, like, you guys, imagine all the stuff that exists for our hair, but for a beard. Is that weird? It's like super fascinating with a splash of weird, right? All right, so we also have a bunch of hair stuff because I've been flat ironing my hair a lot and it's getting a little crispy. Do you guys see that? It's shiny, but it's crispy. So I want to make sure that I keep it as smooth and healthy looking as I can. I mean, it's pretty healthy, but it's only gonna be so healthy. You know what I mean? After so much color treatment and all the stuff that I've done to it, there's only so much that I could do for it. So I did actually get two hair tools. The brushes that do you guys ever replace your brushes? I feel like that's one thing that we forget to replace, like pillows. You're supposed to replace those things pretty often. And I think that happens too with brushes, especially if you use your brushes with something hot, like a hair dryer. It does compromise the integrity of the brush, and every so often you need to replace them. So I was being a little bougie, browsing up that Ulta website, and I was like, oh, I'm already a huge fan of Drybar. Why not add these two to my collection? I have the Buttercup Hairdryer, and I also have the Baby Buttercup, like for travel. I thought this was the perfect size. I have a brush right now that I really, really like, but it's a lot smaller. So when I just want to do a really easy blowout with a lot of volume, I go for a big, big brush like this one. It had pretty good reviews. I don't know if you guys do that, but when you're like browsing around, you read the reviews too. That either convinces me to, like, it helps me take the plunge or to step back. I also got this one is called the Daily Detangler. So it's like a wet brush. Isn't it pretty though? I mean, it's yellow. This one's yellow too. This one is the Double Pint Large 2.75 Ceramic Round Brush. So I got these two from Drybar. Speaking of Drybar and hair care, I also got the Sparkling Soda Shine Mist. So this is like a lightweight finishing spray that creates like a high gloss. I'm a little nervous to use it. The review said it smells really good and it totally changed the way their hair looks. Now, I'll have 3 hairs. We've talked about this before. So I don't think this is a product that I would directly go in with for fear that I might make it look greasy. So, oh wow, that is a really lightweight spray. Do you see the shine on my hand? Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, I could not have sprayed that directly. You see just the one pass, how it's already really, really, really borderline greasy looking. So you want to be super, super careful. Let's put the rest on this side. That is a really, really beautiful finishing spray. If you guys have really coarse hair, I feel like coarse hair doesn't tend to look that shiny because it's so, so thick. This might be something that you guys might really like. And it does smell really good. I like that. All right, so that's Dani approved. Liking that so far. I told you guys I got more hair stuff. Y'all don't believe me, do you? All right, I got another conditioner of the Love Beauty and Planet Volume and Bounty. This is their coconut water and mimosa conditioner. I discovered this when I was having a moment of weakness at Target. I got it because I ran out of my Brioche green juice looking shampoo and conditioner. But all right, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of hair care. So if you guys are like me where you process your hair a lot or you blow dry it a lot, your hair is never going to smell like delicious air-dried hair. You know that smell? Like whatever your conditioner smells like is what your hair is going to smell like. If you do heat tools, your hair is going to smell like hair. It's not going to smell good. This is one of the very few conditioners that I've used that regardless of how I heat style it, blow dry it, the scent remains in my hair. Now, this brand is not sulfate free. I don't believe it's sulfate free. I'm almost 99% sure it's not. So it's not something that you want to use very often, but if you know that you're going to be getting really close to people or you want to smell good because you have a boyfriend now, you might want to look into this brand if that's important to you. You know what I mean? Whatever's important to you, you own it. Who cares if it's not a super uber healthy, ridiculous, overpriced product for your hair? If it's gonna make your hair smell good and that makes you feel good, do it, girl. All right, our last hair product is the Rusk Elixir Mist. This is a thermal shine mist. It doesn't have any hold. The reviews on this thing are insane. They're all good except for the fact that the pump is faulty. So word on the street is you can actually find this 75% off at your Ulta stores because it's a faulty pump and they're just trying to get rid of it. I'm pretty sure they're probably going to change the packaging or they're just doing away with the product altogether. So the Elixir Mist is a product that you put on your damp hair and it's a heat protectant, but it's also going to add shine to your hair. So the reviews got me. If you're gonna have good reviews, I don't care if the pump breaks, like I'll figure it out. I'll MacGyver my way through it, but I wanted to try it, especially, I mean, I like it and it's 75% off at my local store. I may have to go to an Ulta and buy like 6, just saying. Okay, moving on. I got 2 skincare products. I got a Kopari coconut melt in their newer packaging. It's like this like lightweight plastic packaging. This is not the biggest size, unfortunately. This is a 5 ounce. I think they still have an 8 ounce, but it's my favorite coconut oil. I use it mixed into my body butters. I feel like it gives my legs a really healthy J-Lo glow. Plus it's good for the skin. I have a giant jug of Costco coconut oil to shave my legs. So I only buy this one to mix into like my body butters or body lotions. Super fan. I'll always buy it. And then I also got the Badescu Acne Facial Cleanser. I want to use this on my back after I finished the Tata Harper one. I moved on to Philosophy, like a Philosophy one, also from Ulta, and I went through 2 of those and I was like, look, I really like the state of my back, but if I can kick it up a notch and use something even stronger, why not try? So this is a line that I know a lot of people that suffer from acne use and swear by. So I thought I would use it for my back knee. And then we're gonna talk about some mascara. One of my favorite mascaras ever since Ulta stopped carrying Rimmel is Maybelline's Total Temptation. So I got 2 of these because they were on sale, buy one, get one half off. Plus it's a drugstore product, so this combined with like this, I could use my coupon, just saying. Oh wait, there's more stuff. You guys, there's more stuff in here. All right, let's do this. Focus, Dani. I got a backup of my favorite concealer ever, the NARS Soft Matte. Right now I'm in the shade Ginger. It's the only thing that I have on my face right now, and I only put it on my chin, on my nose, and a little bit right here where my pores are a little bit bigger. Nothing else. I just have translucent powder dusted all over everything else, but I'm not wearing foundation or BB cream or anything. So mine already has a big giant hole in the middle, so I was like, might as well get a backup since I'm shopping already and getting a bunch of stuff I don't actually need. Might as well get stuff I actually do need. All right, shame police. All right, another thing that might make you guys a little uncomfortable because we're going to talk about boobs is some no-show concealers. They're basically petals for your boobs when you don't want to wear a bra. I'm not a fan of not wearing a bra. I'm maybe the only female on the planet that says that out loud. I know a bra feels like a prison sentence to some people. I can't go anywhere without one. But sometimes your outfit is not conducive for one. Like right now, I'm wearing a 1-strap bra, but there's some shirts that you really can't, or dresses, so these always come in handy. Plus, I thought it was a good deal. There's 5 pairs, and I think it was $10, and this counts as like a drugstore product, so the coupon applies. All right, you guys. The only reason why we did this Ulta haul was because I needed new tweezers. So I don't know if this happens to you guys, but after like maybe 2 or 3 years, your tweezers just stop working. Like no matter how much you pinch, they don't actually hold the hair, and it's not doing anything except making you feel like you're a crab, but it's not pulling anything out. So I woke up a few days ago, maybe like a week ago, and I was like, oh, look, I have a couple little stragglers, which is all I get. I'm about to take these out. Oh wait, it's not coming. Wait, it's not pinching. What's going on? What's happening? I tried to grab like real hair, tried to pluck my mustache, nothing. It wasn't pinching anything. So I was like, all right, so it's time to bury you and have a funeral for my favorite pair of tweezers. And that was how all of the rest of this happened. But these are the rose gold ones. So the ones that I usually get are the silver. These are rose gold. So when I was shopping, do you guys like compulsively clean your tweezers? When I was shopping and trying to add stuff to my cart, I was like, oh, should I get the original ones, the ones that I always get? Or should I get new ones, a new color, like rose gold? How pretty are these? Tweezerman has the best tools for your face and your body. Like the best nail clippers, the best tweezers. That's all I got. But yeah, this is the sole perpetrator of why this entire haul happened. But you know, the good thing is that this video is a giveaway. The other good thing is that I got cash back. And the third good thing is that if you aren't an Ebates user, I hope this video has convinced you to do so, because if you're an instant gratification type person, you can actually use Ebates and do in-store pickup at a lot of places like Target. You're welcome. Anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Special thank you to Ebates for partnering up with me. If you guys are not users, there will be a link in the description box below. Make sure to use that link and become a registered user of Ebates so that you're eligible to enter the $100 gift card giveaway. All right, you guys, so good luck on this giveaway. I will also be partnering up with Ebates sometime in November to talk about their Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales. So I'm really looking forward to that. What's the other thing that I wanted to tell you guys? Oh yeah, obviously all of this random malarkey that I purchased will be listed in the description box below as well. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!